Why do most people fail when trying to build an online business? Hey guys, how you doing? It's Dan Froelke here, and I've been in this online space here for over 12 years now. And from my experience, the most common reasons why so many people fail to make money online is lack of experience, lack of training, education, right? Lack of support. Maybe they had a sponsor that kind of left them high and dry. Poor expectations, right? Lack of commitment, lack of time and energy. You know, they've got work, the kids and school and all that stuff. Well, in this video, I want to share with you a proven home-based business that eliminates all the reasons why so many people fail to make money online. It's called Exitus Elite, a 6-year-old membership-based company with all the training, education, and the step-by-step tutorials you need to finally build an online business and make money from home in 2021. You can also use the training and skills that you learn from Exitus Elite and make $1,000 instant commissions paid directly to you. And that's what I've been doing with Exitus Elite for over 5 years now. I've had multiple $1,000 days, $10,000 weeks, and my very best month with Exitus Elite so far has been $38,000 in a single month. So in this Exitus Elite review for 2021, I want to break down all the reasons why so many people fail online and why I'm 100% convinced that Exitus Elite is your very best chance to learn the necessary skills to build an online business and to make money from home in 2021. I also want to go over what you can expect from me as your sponsor in Exitus Elite. And lastly, my team bonuses. I put a lot of incredible team bonuses together that are going to completely blow you away. I promise you about that one. So let's jump on the computer. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about right now. Now, I know from experience, it can be a little scary starting a new online business. There's a lot of moving parts, and there's a lot of things to try to figure out on your own. Well, you don't have to worry about that with Exitus Elite because we have everything within the system to make money online here. And with my team training site and all the bonuses that I offer, you'll have more than enough training, education, resources to be very successful online with your Exitus Elite business. The focus of this video is the training and the products that we have inside Exitus Elite. What you're looking at here, you're looking at one of our capture pages, and let me just refresh this. This is just one of our capture pages. As you can see, it's a really cool looking, animated, very slick looking, and we have a lot more of these inside here as well. This is just one of the capture pages. Again, I really want to focus on the training that they have, the education, and the training that I offer when you join me in this business. Okay, so let's step inside of the members area, and I'm going to show you what they have for training. As I was mentioning earlier, why do most people fail when trying to build an online business? Well, there's actually 3 main reasons. It's lack of training, lack of support, and poor expectations. Now, I see that a lot, poor expectations. A person joins a business, and just because they paid to get into the business, they think they're going to be successful without a whole lot of work. Well, that simply is not true. Now, there is work involved, but I'm 100% certain that there isn't anything that you can't handle, okay? You just have to be very consistent, and you have to learn just the basic skills, and that's what we have here inside Exitus Elite. So what you're looking at now are step-by-step training videos on how to start up your Exitus Elite business. There's a lot of training videos here, how to make your product payment, all the way to how to set up your profile, how to set up your payment profile, and it goes on and on here, how to forward a domain, how to set up your support account, and so on. This is actually how you set up your Exitus Elite business so you can make those commissions with these tutorials right here. And when you join me as your sponsor, I have my own team training site right here. I've got 3 very simple steps, very simple tutorials that you watch to get your system up and running, and I have all my proven traffic resources right here, SMS text marketing. Now, I don't want to open these up because it's going to show you my exact resources, and I only share those with people who join me. All right, so we got SMS text marketing, pay-per-click. I've got some offline marketing strategies and my team bonuses. And I'm going to get into that in a little bit, but let's go back to the Exitus Elite members area. As you can see over here on the left menu, there's a lot of things happening over here, okay? It's jam-packed, filled with our products. We've got the marketing suite right here. All right, you're going to have access to all the lead capture pages, your VSL, and incidentally, I want you to watch this VSL when you opt into my page. It's a great explainer video. As a matter of fact, it's one of the better VSLs that I've ever seen, and it converts, okay? We have our bridge page set up. We have the Exitus CTA. For example, if you want me to close your sale or a member of Exitus Elite to close your sale, you can switch that on. That's what this is. You can track your advertising, Google Analytics, tracking pixels. And if you want to integrate Aweber, GetResponse, anything like that, that's all in here as well. But I want to talk about the products right now. So we got the Genesis product library here, and depending upon which product package that you purchase, okay, the G100, $100, G250, $250, and G500 is $500, and of course we've got the G1000 is $1,000. And this is the product package. I would say over 80% of the people purchase this package right here. All right, we've got the G100 and the G250 product packages, and these are the starter packages. These are going to help you get your marketing off to a fast start right here. We've got the G100, G250, and all these are in the form of video courses. And the G500 level includes leadership and personal and professional development. And Jack Zufeld is our main speaker in this personal development section here. And Jack is one of the most successful speakers and business consultants on the national and international scenes, and he has been for a long time. He's a very popular keynote speaker on personal development. He's written many self-help books, and his clients include companies from all sizes, including Fortune 500 companies. And the G500 product includes all of his audio and video courses. Now, the G1000 is our premier package, and it's going to maximize your income. And you're going to learn from some of the best online marketers in the world. You can develop your skills to become a top earner in this online space here. With all these products right here, we've got on-demand products. These are all video courses here. Lots of training right here. We have the legends. Okay, so you're going to learn from the very best online marketers in our niche right here. And then we have the village. And I don't know if you've ever seen the movie The Secret. Well, these recordings inspired that movie, okay? This is where they got all the information from, these recordings right here, The Village. Now, one of the other reasons why people fail online is lack of support. And we've got great support here at Exitus Elite. Now, Paul Stevenson is the owner, and he's got a fantastic support team. And if you put in any support request, they will respond to it usually within a few hours. Great support. I've known Paul for about 6 years now. He is the owner of Exitus Elite. He's got about 25 years of experience in this online space, and I've really gotten to know Paul over the years, and I can attest that he really cares about us, all right? He really cares about his Exitus Elite members. He's always adding value, adding content and training in the members area, and he's really active in our Facebook group. And I want to show you our Facebook group right now because that's where you're going to get some really good support as well. Now, Paul asked me to be a moderator of the group, so let's swing over there right now and I can show you this Facebook group, all right? Here is our official Exitus Affiliates Facebook group. As you can see right off the bat, Paul Stevenson, he is active and he's always giving us updates on new things he's added and new features. As you can see, he's all over here. Now, every week we have a members webinar, and he heads that off. And we had our very first one of the year just this last week, and it was an awesome webinar. Very exciting. We've got a lot of new things planned for 2021, and I'm really excited about this. Exitus Elite is my main business from here on out. And again, I'm the moderator of the group. We welcome everyone who joins in the group. There's a lot of great leaders here. You can get a lot of good advice here, and we congratulate people who make sales, and it's really a great group of people. And I'm really proud to be associated with Exitus Elite. Now, the other side of the support equation is your sponsor, right? So right now, I want to jump in to what you can expect from me when you decide to join me in Exitus Elite, because it's really important for you to know what to expect out of your sponsor, right? So I'm going to get into that right now. Okay, what to expect from me as your sponsor. I want to be 100% transparent with you. First, number one, you're going to make a decision. You're going to click the link below in the description of this video. You're going to opt into my page, and you're going to watch the 8-minute video. Number two, you're going to join my Exitus Elite team. Hopefully you can join at the $1,000 level, so that way you won't miss out on any commissions and team bonuses. Number three, you're going to receive an extensive welcome email from me with links to my team training website and exclusive team marketing portal. Number four, I will personally give you a call, welcome you to our team, and schedule our first coaching call. Number five, our first coaching call will last about 30 to 45 minutes. I'm going to help you set your system up. We're going to go over the members area and training and the resources. Number six, continued personal one-on-one support. And in order for you to succeed in a home-based business opportunity, you want to position yourself with a proven system and a sponsor who actually walks the walk. Someone who's involved with a solid opportunity with a great track record as being a leader. Someone who earns over 6 figures per year. If your goal is financial freedom, only someone who is financially free can show you how to do it, right? That only makes sense. Someone you can speak with personally and who's not afraid to tell you the truth. Personal one-on-one help from an expert, that's exactly what you need. How do I know Exitus Elite is going to work for you? Well, the only results I have to go on is my own and the results of the people who allowed me to help them. The personal one-on-one support, training, and bonuses that I provide gives you the best probability for achieving success in your Exitus Elite business. So how does my one-on-one support work? By scheduled appointments, email, and text responses. How often? As often as you need it. All right, last but not least, my exclusive Exitus Elite team bonuses. Now, I saved this for last because I want you to take some action right now to see these bonuses. I want you to go to ExitusElite2021.com. ExitusElite2021.com. From there, you're going to watch a little video of me. It's going to explain a lot more who I am, what I used to do for a living, and how I can help you finally make money online in 2021. And on that page, you're going to see all my team bonuses, and these are going to blow your mind. I promise you, it's worth opting into because I put a lot of things in place to help you out. Now, I've had this mantra for a long time, but it's this. I make money at the service of others rather than at the expense of others, okay? You're going to see that I put a lot of things in place, and there's one particular bonus that will completely blow your mind. But you have to opt into, right now, ExitusElite2021.com. All right, so if you got some value out of this video right now, I'd appreciate it. If you give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to this channel, click the bell notification, because I'm going to have a lot more videos coming up very, very soon. I have all my contact information right below in the description of this video or on the page that you're going to look at right now. Okay? This is Dan Froelke. I really appreciate you watching this, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks.